Hi, so today we were learning statement to equation. Okay, so the first question says the sum of two numbers is 5 from which a number is 2. What will be the other number? So according to the first part, the sum of two numbers is going to be 5 from which one number is 2. So we have to find what will be the other number. So let us consider that x is the other number. So what do we write? Let x be the other number as given in the question. Okay, so this is the equation. Now what we do is shift 2 to the other side and then we get x is equal to 5 minus 2. Therefore, we get x is equal to 3. So this is our final answer, and after that we can write the final answer as the other number is 3. Okay, so now let's move on to the next question. Question 2 says the difference is 2 of a number removed from 6. Okay, what we get is 2 of a number removed from 6. That means 6 is the bigger one. Okay, so now we all know that we have to write there let x be the other. The dot dots mean that you have to write there. We have all learned how to write it, so you are going to write now let x be the other number. Okay, so now this is the equation and let's solve the equation. The x goes to the other side and 2 comes over here, so we get 6 minus 2 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 4. This is going to be our final answer. Okay, so now you will write the final answer as the other number is 4. Okay, let's move on to the other question. Anil bought some apples at the price of 2 rupees each. The total amount of money he paid was rupees 16. How many apples did he buy? For 2 rupees each, he paid rupees 16 as total. तो उसने टोटल पे किया 16 रुपीज़ और एक एप्पल था 2 रुपए का. तो उसने एप्पल ख़रीदा कितने, ये हमें अभी पता करना है. हाउ वी विल कम टू नो? लेट अस कंसिडर y as the number of apples. Come on, write it. The number of apples. So now the equation becomes 2x is equal to 16. Therefore, x is equal to 16 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to 8. This is our final answer. Now you are going to write as the final answer the number of apples were 8. Okay. Next question. X divided by 6 into 3. Equal to 3. Now we all know that 6 is in the state of division right now. वो x को डिवाइड कर रहा है. तो अगर हम शिफ्ट करेंगे 6 को तो हमको उसका साइन चेंज करना पड़ेगा, उसका ऑपोजिट साइन यूज़ करना होगा. सो द ऑपोजिट साइन ऑफ 6 इज़ division is multiplication. So in the next step we write therefore x is equal to 3 into 6. So we get therefore x is equal to 18. This is going to be our final answer. Okay. Since this question had no word problem, इसलिए हमारा फाइनल आंसर x is equal to 18 ही रहेगा, इसमें कुछ बदलेगा नहीं. Next, Haraba owns some sheep. After selling 34 of them in the market, he still has 176. How many sheep did Haraba have at first? अब हराबा ने शीप्स को सेल किया मतलब अभी उसके पास शीप्स कम हो गए. कम मीन्स देयर हैज़ कम अ डिफरेंस एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द मीनिंग ऑफ डिफरेंस वी हैव टू डू सब्ट्रैक्शन. तो सेल कितना हुआ 34. ओके 34 वॉज माइनस्ड and we were left with 176. So let m be the number which Haraba had sheep at first. So now we are going to shift 34 to the other side and then we get m is equal to 176 minus 34. Okay, therefore m is equal to 2, 4, 1. Okay, this is going to be our final answer and you have to write the final answer in this question. So we write Haraba had 142 sheep at first. Okay, this is your answer. Next, solve the following. So solve this following was done by everyone in the lecture itself. Y minus 5 is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1 plus 5 because 5 is shifted and 5 जब shift हो जाएगा तो उसका साइन माइनस से प्लस हो जाएगा, ऑपोजिट साइन यूज़ करेंगे. So now y is equal to 6. In the same way, 4x is equal to 52. Let's do the third one. Now x remains at its place but 4 goes to the other place क्योंकि अब ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन के स्टेट में है. So now x is equal to 52 upon 4. अब साइन चेंज हो जाएगा and the answer will be 13. So that's it. I think our Every other question has been done and there were no doubts in the other questions. So here I stop with this recording. If there are any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you.